Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by confirming two prerequisites. Your device is unlocked and has at least 20% charge, and you know where Settings lives. Now open Settings and tap Do Not Disturb or Focus. This is the control center for interruptions. Once there, turn off any scheduled times and disable auto-activation rules so the mode won't re-enable itself. This first action stops repeat triggers and sets you up to remove linked silences that keep notifications blocked. Once done with the basic toggle, review linked rules and automations. Check location-based, app-based, and time-based activations because they silently re-enable Do Not Disturb. Remove any unwanted automations or edit them to exclude your current context. Then inspect allowed people and apps, make sure critical contacts are permitted, and disable emergency bypass only if you want complete silence. This detailed execution prevents accidental reactivation and restores. To finish, restart your device to clear any lingering state so settings apply cleanly. Next, test that notifications arrive. Send a message or call from a trusted contact. Make sure alerts come through. If Do Not Disturb still persists, perform a settings reset or check for pending system updates. The trick is that corrupted preferences or old firmware can hold the mode in place. Troubleshooting tip: back up, then reset network or settings before a full factory reset. It often fixes stuck DND without data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.